Welcome! In today's video, you'll learn how to change your channel description on Telegram Web right from your PC using the latest update. Whether you want to refresh your channel's look or add something new to your description, this quick and simple guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. So let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. You can do this by heading over to the Telegram website and clicking Log In. Once you're inside, you'll see all your chats and channels displayed on the left side of the screen. Next, open the channel where you want to update the description. Just click on the channel's name from your chat list. Once it's open, you'll see the messages and content shared inside your channel, along with the name and current description at the top. Now, go to the top of the page and click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. This will open a small set of options for your channel. From here, select the Edit option. This is where you can make changes to your channel's information. Once you're in the editing section, look for the description field. Here, you can type in your new channel description or edit the existing one. You can include an introduction, a brief summary of what your channel offers, or any details you want your audience to know. Keep it clear, concise, and on-brand for your channel's purpose. After you've made your changes, click on the tick icon at the top to save everything. That's it. Your updated channel description is now live and visible to everyone who visits your channel.